Welcome back to RamZland. Today I want to show you how to make a penny float. Check this out.
All I'm using in this investigation is a 250 milliliter Erlenmeyer flask, a funnel, 12 molar hydrochloric acid, a little bit of sandpaper, and pennies that are made after 1982. The first step is to take your penny and sand the edge of it until you can start seeing the zinc core inside the penny. If you look closely, you'll see this kind of shiny. That's what you want to be able to see, is that zinc, because your penny after 1982 is just electroplated with copper, but the inside is zinc. The next step is to fill your flask with just 150 milliliters of 12 molar hydrochloric acid, just enough to be able to see your pennies float. And now you're ready to add your pennies that you sanded the edges off of. I would add these on the sides so they don't splash too much, like that. And you'll start to see some bubbles rise. That's hydrogen gas. Okay, so what's going on in this single displacement redox reaction is you start with the products zinc and hydrochloric acid. That's the Zn and the HCl. When those combine, the zinc is oxidized, it loses electrons, and the hydrogen gas is reduced in that it gains those electrons. And so your products are zinc chloride, that's the ZnCl2, and hydrogen gas is the H2. Now this is also an exothermic reaction because if you touch the flask, you'll feel some heat coming off of it.
I hope you enjoyed today's edition of RamZland, and I'll see you next time.